The Surface and Air Guardian, powered by patented ActivePure technology, is a powerful air and surface purification unit designed to help you and your family experience pure air and surfaces every day. The Surface and Air Guardian features an improved ActivePure cell that helps reduce over 99.9% of many surface and airborne contaminants faster. The easy-to-use controls on the front of the unit offer solutions that are customizable to your environment, like 5 fan speeds, separate controls for normal purification and increased smoke and odor control, as well as maintenance reminders. The Surface and Air Guardian utilizes combined technologies along with our proprietary ActivePure technology to effectively treat exposed air and surfaces and can improve the quality of indoor air in spaces up to 2,000 square feet. It can also reduce over 99.9% of many common contaminants that can be left on surfaces between cleanings, and can reduce dust, pet dander, and odors that regularly occur in the home. The ActivePure technology found in the Surface and Air Guardian produces powerful scrubbing molecules that work 24/7 in your indoor spaces and is proven effective by dozens of unaffiliated studies against bacteria, viruses, mold, and fungi in the air and on surfaces. ActivePure technology is the only exclusive air and surface purification technology awarded the prestigious Certified Space Technology Seal of Approval, and in 2017 was inducted into the Space Technology Hall of Fame by the Space Foundation. The Surface and Air Guardian is an ideal solution for all kinds of people and places: homeowners, pet lovers, allergy sufferers, caregivers, health advocates, educators, athletes, and more. The Surface and Air Guardian is the smart solution for everyone.